purchased 2 of these stoves in Denver. Enough parts between the 2 of them to complete one stove. It's a small 3-burner with oven, propane stove. They was very inexpensive back in the day. They called them apartment stoves. They were built in the 1930s. I chose this stove because of its size and the limited amount of cooking we'll be doing out here, mainly for coffee. I'll go over the operation of the stove and some of the features that this stove has. This is where the propane line comes through the wall, connects to this yellow flux line, and connects to a lower valve that you can also turn off. One word of caution, especially with all 3 burners going, it can create a lot of heat underneath that top shelf and will destroy the light. To operate the top burner valve, all the way off is to the right. I'll show you how to light the oven. It's this valve on the lower right hand side. Open the small viewing window at the bottom on the front of the stove. Turn this valve on, which will be down. Put your lighter in here and light it. This viewing window, the window itself is made out of mica, and it's for viewing the oven to make sure that it's on. Keep an eye on it if you use it. We'll turn it off. And make sure that's off. Don't forget to turn all of the valves off on the stove before turning the outside propane off.
When did I get old? When did everything change? When did I get old? It's all behind me now.